What do we have here? Amazon has put out a custom. I don't know if you knew this, Will.
No, I didn't.
Custom T-shirts. It's a booming thing right now. I'm not just talking about this story here, but I've been getting
on different
targeted
websites?
targeted advertising on Instagram that I should be making my own custom T-shirts.
Oh.
And I think it's called Son of a Tailor. I can't remember the name of the ad.
Oh yeah.
Have you seen it?
Yeah, I've seen it.
And they're like, you need a custom T-shirt. You're a unique. You deserve it. You're a unique thing.
You deserve a custom T-shirt.
And I'm sitting there thinking, man, I don't know. I like T-shirts, but I don't have too much of a fit issue myself. I can wear a large, and it's perfect for me. As a large in most cases. But some people, you got the body types going on. Maybe could improve the fit. Maybe even myself. Maybe I should do it. Maybe I should try. A video concept idea. I tried custom T-shirts. Here's what happened. This is BuzzFeed. Anyway, Amazon's getting into the game in a big way, and it may be because they want you to have a nice fitting shirt, or it might be because they want to generate as much user data as possible, including your physique. Because they've had multiple products that actually aimed at doing this, and I always love these articles talking about Amazon that pop up on the Washington Post because he owns the Washington Post.
Yeah.
Bezos.
So throw a couple Amazon articles in there.
Does he send the tip himself?
Yeah. At least 3 a week.
He sends it to tips@WashingtonPost.com. And it's just like, it's from JB. And he's like, Amazon launches new. Anyway, the point here is you take this picture of yourself. Amazon hates having to fit people with things. It probably leads to a lot of returns. And it's really not that. It sucks if you're looking at something, a clothing item, and they're like, check our fit guide. And it's like, okay, pull out your measuring tape and put it around your thigh. And you're like, oh, God, I don't want to buy the thing. Just hope it fits, please, is sort of where I'm at. So they think this is a way around it. It's a new Amazon service that snaps a front and side photo of you in a form-fitting but body-covering piece of clothing. It will then use that image to create a 3D render of you, video game version of Willie Doo, and then a T-shirt will be mapped according to your specific physique. You'll get that in the mail. It'll actually be made in the USA as well, which is kind of a surprise to me, even though the materials are not sourced from the USA. It will be made in the USA. And on the tag, it will say Willie Doo on it. Made custom for Willie Doo. And you're going to put it on. It's going to be form-fitted. And all of a sudden, you get the compliments and everything else. And then, I don't know. I mean, then your life improves. What's that?
I think this is a great idea.
Oh, you're into it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Form-fitting. Everyone wants that.
You got any fit issues?
I do, yeah. Sometimes I'm right in the middle of extra large and large for some reason. I don't know why. It's just, yeah.
For which clothing item specifically? It's not for the T-shirt. You're not you're an XL on the T-shirt?
Well, sometimes I like to wear baggy, but sometimes it's like too baggy.
Oh, I see. Well, that's your issue.
Well, yeah, clearly.
Yeah, you're trying to have all these different looks, Will.
Yeah.
We're not ready for that.
Here.
Bezos not ready for that. No, you probably input all that information when you go through the process with the 3D and the rest of it. So there's one way of looking at it, which is awesome service. This sounds like it could be really cool. And then there's the other way of looking at it, which is Amazon doesn't care about selling you the T-shirt because they're not even charging a lot of money for it. What they actually care about is mapping the entire physique of the human race. You know what I mean?
Yeah. That's their plan all along.
I mean, so many of their products are like that. It's like, you're like, how is this so cheap? It's like, no, they don't care about the stuff. They just trying to break even on that.
Yeah, just take a picture of your body there.
Exactly.
We'll have a database.
Imagine. Actually, I should say, as we're having fun talking about this, they claim that they're going to delete all that data immediately. The photo data, they will keep the 3D version of you because you might want to re-up on the order.
Yeah.
So that stays, but the photos you took are apparently deleted immediately. Custom T-shirts.